Hello everybody, welcome to tutorial number 4. In this tutorial we'll be covering tagged file operations and file tagging. So I'll just start Extreme again. Now tagging is just a way of selecting a group of files if you want to perform, say, some bulk operations such as bulk copy or bulk delete on a set of files. So let's find some files that we want to do some bulk operations on. So we're just going to folder, and to tag a file, you just press the T key on the keyboard, and when a file is tagged, you'll get this little diamond next to it, and as you're tagging files, the statistics area changes. It's updated to the number of files that are tagged and the total file size of all the tagged files. Now to untag a file is just the U key. So again, the statistics are updated. If you wanted to tag all the files in a folder, you just hold down Control and hit T, and they'll tag all the files. And likewise, Control U will untag all the files. If you just wanted to tag the files to the end of the list, it's just Control E and then T, and they'll tag all the files to the end of the list. And if you wanted to invert tag selection, Control I and T. So as you can see, there's quite a few tagged operations that you can do. You can also tag the entire folder by going back into the tree view and just pressing T on the folder. And likewise, the U key will untag all the files. So now that we've tagged some files, we can do some tagged operations on them. For example, maybe we want to copy just these files to another folder. So we've selected the files, and now we hold down Control and C to copy all the files. And I don't want to change the names, so I can just hit Enter, and they'll just pre-fill the star.star wildcard. And let's just say I want to copy it to a new folder. Not copy it to a new folder, test. It'll prompt me if I want to create the folder. I'll say yes. So now it's copied just those tagged files to a new folder that I've just created. So that's a tag copy example. I can also do tag rename. So let's select a bunch of files that I want to rename. And now that I want to rename just those files, I can hit Control and R. And let's give these a different extension. So I'll just give a wildcard as an example and hit Enter. And as you can see, it's renamed just the files I've selected with the new extension. And the final example, I'll just delete all those files. Say I want to delete all of them now. So I just hit Control T to select all the files, Control D to delete the selected files. And I don't want to prompt to confirm each, I'll just delete all of them. And there. And just to tidy things up, I'll just delete that test folder. So that's just an example of file tagging and tagged file operations.